In today's recipe, we're gonna talk about what to do if you have a strong cough, that cough that don't want to go. So what you see now is lemon, all right? You have your lemon, okay? Not lime. There is difference between lemon and lime. And after lemon, what you have is raw honey, not diluted, please. So you have another one, salt, okay? You see your salt, and let's go. You get your lemon, cut it into two. After slicing your lemon into two, okay, you now get a cup. Get your cup. Ensure you squeeze the lemon inside the cup to extract the lemon juice. After getting the lemon juice, all right, okay, this is it. You can see how I'm squeezing it very well. Make sure you squeeze everything so that you get enough of the juice, all right. That is it. And the next thing you need to add is 1 tablespoon of raw honey, not diluted, okay? Put it there and stir it very well. All right, then you go in with a pinch of salt. Please be mindful with your salt so that you can be able to consume. All right, don't put it too much so that you can be able to consume. Okay, that's it.
As you can
Stir
see, our
very
recipe
very
is
well.
almost ready. Okay, stir it very well. Ensure you stir it well so that everything will mix together, and then you steep for like 10 minutes. Cover it for like 10 minutes and you are good to go. As you can see, your recipe is ready. As an adult, even as a child, you can give it to your child from 5 years old, or even 3 years can take this, and then adults can take this too. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more recipes. Have a lovely day ahead. Bye.